Miss Roberta, I just had my blood pressure taken and it's almost like a teenager's. Yeah. Oh my goodness, they said my blood pressure was 117 over 77. I can't believe it. I said, oh my goodness. And then my weight has dropped another 10 pounds. I said, yeah, well, I've been doing this ASAP. And he says, well, keep it up. Keep doing what you're doing. Just doing it and following that program. He said, keep doing it. And that's what my doctor just told me. So, oh my goodness. ASAP. That's what I'm doing. All right. And of course, after this, I'm going to maintain it with the Slender FX because that's the big one. That's the one that really started me off on my weight loss journey. So, okay. Join me. Take care. This is Miss Roberta. I'm on my way. I told him I'm trying to be a model, but it's only gonna be a model citizen. But who cares? I don't care. I'm going to do this. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.